Supporting the government's strategy of promoting fintech development, Invest Hong Kong actively assists enterprises in the sector in setting up or expanding their business in Hong Kong. In the first 8 months of this year, the department gave assistance to 59 fintech companies from 12 economies including the mainland, the US, France, Singapore, Canada and the UK. This represented a 44% increase in the number of companies compared to the same period in 2023. Invest Hong Kong's Global Head of Financial Services, Fintech and Sustainability, King Leung, described this as great news for Hong Kong, with the firms bringing investment and job opportunities to the city, in addition to helping to grow its reservoir of fintech expertise.
For example, there's a highly capable fintech firm that we set up in Hong Kong. It is a digital bank. They realized that of all these years of developments in technology, now they process some of the leading technologies in the world. So they thought, well, this is a good opportunity for them to basically export their technology capabilities by setting up a fintech unit in Hong Kong, of which they plan to invest over $150 million.
Mr. Leung highlighted that Hong Kong's advanced economic system and financial markets make it a desirable place for fintech businesses to operate.
When we look at the Hong Kong position as an IFC, International Financial Center, we have literally thousands of banks, insurance companies, asset managers, wealth managers, securities firms, payment firms, and so on. So these thousands of companies present enormous business opportunities for the solution providers in fintech that are really targeting these firms as their potential clients. So that makes Hong Kong such an attractive place because of the fertile soil as a B2B, what we call business-to-business fintech market.
One Swiss-based global private equity firm with $150 billion in assets under management opted to set up its new office in Hong Kong with a view to further expanding its business in the Asia-Pacific region.
There are 3 reasons why we decided to open up an office in Hong Kong. Hong Kong has 2,700 family offices. There's also over 12,000 ultra-high net worth individuals. So it makes Hong Kong as the largest wealth center in Asia Pacific. Being in Hong Kong was absolutely critical for us to develop the private wealth business here. So that's point number 1. Point number 2 is that Hong Kong continues to be a global financial center, and Hong Kong has global talent here that is on par with all of the global financial centers globally, and also the infrastructure here is unparalleled. So, we believe that this is also a great place to develop and expand our talent pool for the business. And number 3 is that Hong Kong is at the doorstep of China. And so it's an excellent springboard for us to develop our business and expand into the Greater China region.
Invest Hong Kong believes that as an international financial centre, Hong Kong offers a robust regulatory environment along with abundant business opportunities and financial support, making it the ideal location for the development of fintech and digital finance.
Now, first, Hong Kong being now the second largest cross-boundary wealth management center in the world, that also actually attracted quite a lot of wealth tech companies to Hong Kong. Now, secondly, because of the highly embracive and welcoming policy in promoting digital assets, which also includes Web3 and blockchain. So that essentially creates another major attraction for companies in this space. As a matter of fact, this digital assets and blockchain segment has been the fastest growing segments of Invest Hong Kong over the past 2 years. Now, the third thing I would like to highlight is that Hong Kong is also positioned as a leading international green finance and green tech hub. As a result, a subsegment of fintech called green fintech is something that is also very much a major focus.
A range of events focused on fintech development in Hong Kong will be held throughout this month. One of these is Hong Kong FinTech Week 2024, which will be held from October 28th to November 1st and is anticipated to attract approximately 30,000 attendees from more than 100 economies.